practice. Now we'll do 3 rounds of Ashtanga A Surya Namaskar. Bring your feet together, palms at your heart center. Inhale, arms from the sides, all the way up, palms together, look up at your thumb. Exhale, bending from your hips, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana, flat back, look forward, chin away from the chest. Hold your breath, bend your knees, jump or step back to plank, feet hip-width apart. Exhale, Chaturanga. If Chaturanga is challenging, place your knees down, or you can also do knees, chest and chin. Inhale, slide forward, knees and thighs off the mat, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, shoulders away from your ears. Exhale, lift your hips up, Adho Mukha Svanasana. From here, inhale, lift the right leg up, bend the right knee, open the hip without opening the shoulder, right knee to point up, right toes to point towards the floor. Hold it here for 3, 2, 1. Place the right foot down. Inhale, lift the left leg up, bend the left knee, open the hip, toes pointing down, knee pointing up. This will release the tightness around your hip joint, which will help to improve the flexibility. For 3, 2, 1. Left foot down. Look in between your palms. Jump or step. Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Round 2. Inhale, arms from the sides. Lengthen the sides of your body. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Hold your breath, jump or step back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga or knee down or Ashtanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Bend the knee, open the hip. Every round, see if the tightness around the hip joint gets less. For 3, 2, 1. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Knee bent, open the hip. Your awareness is around the hip joint. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, down. Look in between. Jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. One last round. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Utthana. Hold your breath, jump or step back, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, stretch the right leg up. Bend the knee, open the hip. Hold it here. Breathe. For 3, 2, it'll just get better. And 1. Right leg down. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Bend the knee, open the hip. 3, 2, 1. Down. Look in between. Jump or step, Ardha Utthana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms from the sides, lengthen your spine. Exhale, Samastiti. Separate your feet and your arms. Close your eyes. Just take a short break. There will be at times where you feel very flexible. Some days you feel very tight, which is normal. It depends on how our day goes the previously. Have we been active, inactive, long hours of sitting? Your stress, emotions plays a major role in the flexibility. Take a deep breath in Exhale. Blink open your eyes.